Welcome to a next video on Simple Tech. On this video I'll be teaching you guys how to install apps and games without using the App Store on your iOS devices. Okay, so what we're going to do is that we're going to go to Safari. Okay, seeing that mine is already there, let me just go back home. So we can go to Google. Seeing that I have Google here, let us just use Google, and we'll be installing a application. It's the APPVALLEY, so you can just go ahead and type in APPVALLEY download. Seeing that I already have it here, I'm just going to go ahead and click on it, and you'll be seeing the option APPVALLEY app for iOS and Android. Just go ahead and click on that option. I'll be leaving the link in the description. Okay, you'll be seeing the option install APPVALLEY. Click that, and I'm going to ask you to go ahead and install profile link 1. Okay, go ahead and scroll and click download link 1. Okay, seeing that I already have the app, it is going to give me this message, so I'm just going to press allow, but it will give you guys a different message to download that app if you don't already have that app on your device. Just click close. Okay, and seeing that it will be downloaded now, but let me just go ahead and show you what that app will look like. Okay, so this is the APPVALLEY, and the APPVALLEY, you can install any app, such as even your WhatsApp, your Facebook, your Messenger, such your WhatsApp, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Okay, yeah, so this will be the logo of the APPVALLEY. But before that, if you're installing that app for the first time, you'll need to trust that app. Some person will say, what do you mean by trusting that app? So let me just go ahead and show you and explain. So you're going to go on settings on your device, and once you go to settings, you're going to go to general. After going to general, you'll be seeing the option of profiles. It should be below VPN profile. You can click on that option, and if the APPVALLEY has already been downloaded, you'll be seeing the option APPVALLEY. You'll be seeing the arrow beside it. Click on the arrow, and from there it will give you the option to trust that app, and once you trust that app, it will give you the option to install. Yeah, so once you install that app, you could just go back to settings and then go back into the app. And you can just go ahead and press get. So for instance, I want to download Instagram. Just click on that option. Okay, saying that Instagram is already installed. Let me just check for something that is not yet installed. Okay, so I want to install Minecraft. Okay, install. Okay, it's loading, just give it some time. Moving a bit slow. Let's just give it some time. Yeah, so my internet is moving a bit slow, but once you click on that option to get, if that app is not already installed on your phone, it should give you the option to install that app. Yeah, so let me just go ahead and check here. Okay, yeah, so yes, these are apps that I downloaded before using the APPVALLEY. So this is how you really install unknown application on your iOS device, seeing that you are unable to download from Google Chrome or download from Safari. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Thank you for making it Simple Tech. Enjoy the rest of your day.